This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about lithium in your brain. We've known for quite a while that lithium is good for manic depressive disease. It's been used for a long time, and you get blood levels and all that. Psychiatrists who followed patients with lithium noted that they seemed to live longer, and actually randomized placebo-controlled trials of populations that have high lithium in their water in both Japan and Texas showed that, yep, people live longer. Interesting, it's curious. What's going on? Well, it's all about an enzyme called GSK3. And GSK3, when it's activated, actually turns on the change of glucose from glycogen, and you get more of it. You get more blood sugar in your blood. But when you take lithium, you inhibit GSK3 and you downregulate your glucose. Interesting. And that somehow plays a role in Alzheimer's as well. But you end up with a bigger brain. That's the interesting part. Now, we don't have a huge number of studies, but we have bigger brains and people living longer. This is a good thing. Interest of note, what we do have is Lithium Springs. It was a spa that Mark Twain and 4 of our presidents went to because they all felt like they felt better when they left. That's the old seat of the pants fashion. But I think there's enough here to merit our all considering lithium. It's just a supplement. I'm taking 3 milligrams a day. I think you should too. Think about it. This is Dr. John Whitcomb for News and Nutrition. A little bit of lithium. Maybe you won't be as manic as me. Hope not. Bye.